Happy 2023. Hoping you're having a dent-tastic day. Today's episode, we'll be honing in on a jackknife dent caused by a trailer. I'm going to show you tools that will make your life easier when fixing dents similar to this. Whoever you are and wherever you are, welcome. I am Ken, your host, the man that rips on high-strength steel, aluminum, and plastic. Backstory. The customer drove down from the north side of the 415 to do business in the 408. The customer purchased this 2021 Denali, and he didn't even like it. It's not the truck he wanted. After I fix it, he's going to sell it and buy the truck he really wants. The customer owns a construction company. While his employee was backing up the trailer, it got ahead of him and jackknifed into the bedside. Before I turn your attention to the repair, I'm going to go over the list of tools I will be utilizing. I will be bridging over the dent and making a series of pulls with this device. I'll be cleaning up the panel with 2 polishers and isopropyl alcohol. Hooking up with a ratchet strap and these plastic tabs. 450-degree glue gun, using a 4-foot PDR light, and I will be borrowing the handle from my jack. I'll be using a variety of PDR bars, battery-powered wrench, and drills. Tape to protect the clear coat, and last, my mini Ballpeen Hammer. It's showtime! Time to walk you through the way I would start this repair. Removing screws and trim from around the damage. Disconnecting the light from the flare. Next, I'm going to clean up the clear coat paint with a polish. Going to use isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the panel. Today, I'm not going to follow the rules. No, instead, I'm going to make up my own rules. I need a place to rip from. I looked around, I found the side hitch hookup. I took the handle from the jack and I slid it in. Looks like I have a clean line of sight. If you want to know why I'm hooking up from the side, you can post a question comment down below. Using a straight edge from the bridge to mark my spot. I'm not a psychic or a prophet. No, I'm more than that. I'm a PDR tech with lots of experience and intuition. I'm filling this out and placing the tabs accordingly. Placing the first tab inside the dent. Next tab, I'm going to run it horizontal just above the first tab. My third tab, I'm running some hot glue on the pulling surface. I'm going vertical on the top section of the bed. Running hot glue on tab number 4 and tab number 5, placing them both horizontal. Going to run additional tabs at the very bottom of the dent. I'm going to place a lateral pulling tab on the wheel well. Let's take a look at my centerpiece. I put all the pieces to the puzzle together and this is what it looks like. I have 3 pulling attachments hooked up to the bridge. Next, I'm running my strap from the side hitch of the vehicle to the tab. Tightening up the strap, creating some tension. If you're fast at doing repairs, This tool will make you even faster and cleaner. I'm doing a triple perpendicular pull. Let's move our attention to hook number 1. I'm going to begin pulling with the drill. I'm going to move my drill to location number 2. The rotational movement from the drill is pulling the dent. I won't need to be flexing my biceps or my triceps. The drill will be doing all the pulling. Listen up, it's coming. You're going to hear the release. There it is. Moving down to the 3rd hook, making my final pull. If you'd like to support my channel by subscribing, please do so. Do you like working on Smash for cash? This tool will get it done, and it's a business write-off. The clickable link is down below. I'm leaving tension on the pulling rods. Next, I'm spraying isopropyl alcohol around the tabs. The glue is releasing easily from the clear coat. Finish my glue pulling. Let's take a look at the remaining damage. Next, I'm going to remove some more parts so I can get my PDR tools on the back side of the panel. I'm going to run a few extra layers of tape to help protect the surface. The traditional way of using this tool would be pushing from the tip. Today, I prefer to break the rules. I'm going to use the heel of the tool. If you're curious why I'm using the heel of the tool instead of the tool tip like most guys, you can post a question comment down below. Now, when it comes to removing dents, I make it look easy. However, it's not easy. It's years of experience. It can get really tricky finding your tool tip. If you like to go crazy on pushing too hard on the dent, it can get away from you quickly. However, if you start off light and you're consistent with your tool, it will really help toward the end of the repair when you're cleaning up the damage. I'm going after some more low areas by the body line. Working my way to the lower section. Notice I'm not overdriving my PDR bar into the panel. Using my light to read the panel. Going through the top rail of the bed. With the tool, I'm going in between each and every low spot. Using the PDR rod as a dolly and the hammer, I'm blending out the dent. I'm in the fine tuning stage. I'm cleaning up the remaining micro lows inside the dent. Let's wrap this up. I'm going to begin putting the trim back in place. Connecting the light to the flare, lining up the tabs, and popped it into place. Torquing in some remaining screws. plugged in the taillight lens. Putting in the remaining 2 screws. Putting the bed cap in place, lined it up, and locked it in. Let's look at the results. The repair is not perfect, or is it? We still have scars. Since most people are on mobile devices, I want to thank all of you for powering up your cell phones and turning it sideways. For more videos like this, visit my channel. So in return for all my hard work, like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep these videos coming. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video release. Make it a dent-tastic day.